What if I told you one of the biggest missing pieces of Linux gaming is finally becoming a reality? After years of requests from the Linux community, GOG Galaxy is officially coming to Linux. And honestly, this could be one of the biggest milestones for Linux gamers in years. If you've ever bought games from GOG, you probably know the problem. While the GOG store has offered Linux games for years, the GOG Galaxy launcher has only been available on Windows and Mac OS. Linux users had to rely on community-made launchers like Heroic Games Launcher or Lutris to manage their libraries. They worked well, but they were never the official experience. Now that's finally changing. In a recent interview, GOG confirmed that it has hired a dedicated specialist to work on Linux support and that the company is actively developing GOG Galaxy for Linux. While there isn't a release date yet, GOG says Linux has become one of its major areas of investment, and they plan to share more details when the time is right. So why is this such a big deal? Because GOG Galaxy is much more than just another game launcher. It offers automatic game updates, cloud saves for supported games, achievement tracking, playtime statistics, friends integration, and the ability to organize games from multiple platforms in one place. Instead of juggling different launchers, Linux users could finally have the same premium experience Windows users have enjoyed for years. This announcement also shows something bigger is happening. Over the last few years, Linux gaming has exploded thanks to the Steam Deck, Proton, Wine, Vulkan, and better driver support. Many Windows games now run on Linux with little to no performance loss. Major companies are starting to realize that Linux is no longer a niche platform. An official GOG Galaxy client is another sign that Linux is becoming a serious gaming operating system. Of course, there are still a few unanswered questions. We don't know which Linux distributions will be officially supported, whether every Galaxy feature will be available on day one, or exactly when the client will launch. So for now, Heroic Games Launcher remains the best option for most Linux users. Still, this is exciting news. An official GOG Galaxy client means one less reason for gamers to stay on Windows and one more reason to give Linux a serious try. So what do you think? Will GOG Galaxy finally convince more gamers to switch to Linux, or are community launchers already good enough? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for the latest Linux news, tutorials, and gaming updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.